Okay, good afternoon. Now I will show you how to install Python for Android users. So first go to Play Store and search for Python. You can see this ID3 app here and its name is PyDroid. So you have to just download this and install it. Once the app is installed, you have to open it. You'll see this user interface. Just click on Let's Start. Then you will get these types of questions. So while selecting these questions, let's continue here. First type I am obviously new and press continue. Then press I'm learning Python 3. Then press continue. In this interface, you have to do nothing. Just press and continue. And in this interface, you have to choose machine learning and AI programs and press continue. And this is add by PyDroids. Therefore, you can cut it here. Now we'll see this type of interface, and from this interface you have to just download you have to just download the libraries. Therefore click on these three bars here, then you will see this interface and click on this pip here. This is command line. We will go to command line, and here they are having user interface of such kind. Then click on quick start. From this quick start you have to install Jupyter library and pandas library both. While downloading that libraries, you will see installing, and once it is downloaded, you will see completed. So to check that library is downloaded or not, you have to just install run, just write a sort of code here, import numpy, and it is just storing an array from 1 to 5, and it is printing that, and output is also shown here. As we can see, this is showing output 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. So I think you can download easily Python on your Android device.